What's going on, guys? I want to do a video of a chainsaw that I just went through. This is a John Deere 55V, made in Japan. This is the same thing as an Echo CS500. I estimate the year of this thing to be a 1980. Put a new Oregon VersaCut 20-inch bar on it. The LPX chain. Real nice combo there. As you can see, this thing is in very good shape. It was a single owner saw. It was my buddy's father's, to be specific. As you can see, really clean. Paint's in really good shape. Had a lot of the original decals. We did get this one. This was a reproduction decal. And yeah, this thing is a beauty. We put a brand new NOS handle on it. The old one had some issues going on. Did put a new side cover on it, this clutch cover. This is actually from an Echo CS500. Came orange, repainted it black. Can't even tell. There is a decal that goes in that square, a 55V decal. It would be real nice to get a hold of one of those someday, whether it was original or reproduction. But yeah, they're just a really beautiful saw. Did some little bit touch-up paint work. The bar oil didn't really agree with it, but it is what it is. It's a chainsaw, right? So, thing starts right up, runs great, oil's great. I did put a carb kit in it. We'll do a little test fire here. Beautiful tone to it. Sit there and idle all day long. Nice saw. He's gonna be happy with it.